What is project management software? Project management software tracks the progress of complex projects from concept to completion, giving managers real-time oversight over every step of the process. Common features of project management software include project planning and task management, helping you define the scope of a project, set due dates, and track and manage essential tasks. Budget, expense, and time tracking gives companies the ability to output up-to-date reports, directly connecting bids, budgets, expenses, and revenues to the projects they're associated with. Resource management and scheduling allows project managers to account for and assign all resources a project will require, with specialized intelligent support based on the known phases associated with a typical project. Other notable features include billing and invoicing, and document management. Our team of free advisors can give you a personalized shortlist of software options that fit your needs. Get customized matches in minutes by calling the number on your screen, or get connected with a free advisor by going to softwareadvice.com.